Hello my friend, hope you are doing well. Today I visit your website and I got some critical error in your website. I will take only 2 minutes from you. So now I am SEO expert. I am an SEO expert working as a freelancer. So this is your website, and this is your website audit report. Can you see this is your website? Your website have a 4 critical error and 8 warning. So your website have no chronological page. Your website title is over than 17 character. Your meta description is less than 160 character. Your website don't have uh, 10 images have without alt tag, and most important error is schema. Your website have no schema, and if you fix this error you will get more visibility on Google and you will get organic traffic from Google. Your website will rank on Google, and I hope you will fix it. And if you need any help you can contact with me. I will help you. Thank you, and thank you again for watching this video. Bye bye, have a good day.